Hi, if you want to use the Expert Advisor that is built in this video, just click the download link below.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that uses the iTriX indicator to determine if the market is in a long or short condition and displays the result on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor where we can write our MQL code. The OnTick function is the main function that runs every time a new tick is received. Inside this function, we first create an array to store price data. We declare a dynamic array called myPriceArray of type double. This array will hold the values we get from the iTriX indicator. Next, we define the properties of our iTriX indicator. We use the iTriX function, which creates a handle for the TriX indicator. The parameters we pass are underscore symbol, which represents the current symbol of the chart, underscore period, which is the current time frame, 14, which is the period for the indicator calculation, and price underscore close, which tells the indicator to use the close prices for its calculations. The function returns an integer value that we store in iTriXDefinition, which is essentially a reference to our indicator. We then prepare our price array to receive data in reverse order. The ArraySetAsSeries function is called with myPriceArray as the first parameter and true as the second parameter. This means that the most recent candle will be at index 0, the previous candle at index 1, and so on. This makes it easier to access the latest data. Now we copy the indicator values into our array. The copy buffer function takes several parameters. iTriXDefinition is our indicator handle. 0 is the buffer index. Since TriX has only one line, 0 is the starting position, current candle. 3 is the number of values we want to copy, and myPriceArray is where we want to store these values. This gives us the last 3 TriX values in our array. We then extract the current TriX value. We declare a float variable called iTriXValue and assign it the value from myPriceArray at index 0, which is the most recent TriX value. Finally, we display the market condition on the chart based on the TriX value. If iTriXValue is greater than 0, we use the comment function to display iTriX is long followed by the actual value. If iTriXValue is less than 0, we display iTriX is short followed by the value. This provides a clear visual indication of the current market direction according to the TriX indicator. After writing all this code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester, pick the Expert Advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode and start a strategy test. Then we should see the Expert Advisor on the chart, displaying whether the iTriX indicator is showing a long or short condition based on its current value. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an Expert Advisor that uses the iTriX indicator to determine market direction and display the result on the chart. You have now coded an Expert Advisor yourself with just a few lines of MQL code that reads the TriX indicator values and provides visual feedback about the current market condition. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.